open the door. What are you hoping for? Do you know once we were standing still in the time, chasing the fantasies that filled our mind? You knew how I love you, but my spirit was free, laughing out the questions that you asked of me. Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to?
Hanggang sa Facebook, saan, pwede na.
Do you know?
Bagong technology yan, Paul.
Ay, dito naka-video. Solo ready?
Dapat video mo rin sa akin tapos Facebook.
Oo, sige.
Oo, may...
Akap. I-ano mo ko kaya. Mag-video ko.
Now looking back at all we planned, we let so many dreams just slip through our hands. Why must we wait so long before we see how sad the answers to those questions can be? Do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that life is showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? Do you get what you're hoping for? When you look behind, there is no open door. What are you hoping for? Do you know? Do you know where you're going to? This time around, thank God, we know where we're going.
Ayaw.
We don't have to.
No. We don't have to go. Why? Aisa.
I love you, Star.
Aisa.
Boy.
Ibong ang aking katulad na di na makalipad dahil sa hirap at
Ano ba? Kamusta na kayo dyan? Nakakatayo pa kayo? Hindi pa? Magsalita kasi kayo. Kamusta kayo dito sa Malaysia? Hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo pupunta?
Hindi ko alam.
Bakit?
Ako ante sumbukong ko.
Ha?
Ako ante pupuntahan ko.
Kasi doon sa Bulacan, alam na alam nyo naman. Dahil yun ang inyong bahay. Eh, ito kasi bahay ko sa Malaysia. Yan. Flower. Ano ang sabi niyo, ma? Masyal tayo na, ma. Mamasyal tayo. Yan. Ay, ma. Ano, namimiss nyo na sila Titina, no? No, ma?
Namimiss ko na sa Pampalaw.
Oo, namimiss nyo na sa Pangpalay. Uwi na kayo sa isang araw. Sa 29, ano na ba ngayon? Saturday. Sunday, bukas. Monday, isang araw na lang kayo sa Monday. Saturday, nandun na kayo, magkikita-kita na kayo, ma. Makikita nyo na yung mga apo nyo. Namimiss nyo na? Ma? Namimiss nyo na yung mga apo nyo? Oo, tingnan mo nga, Patat. Ate Tina, namimiss niya na raw yung mga apo niya. Tsaka ikaw, dyan sa Bulacan. Kasi alam niya kung paano ang pasikot-sikot. Alam niya kung saan ang toilet. Dito, di niya alam. Hindi niya alam kung saan pupunta. Pag maglalakad siya. Ano, ma? Ano, ma? Ano, ma? Pero nakapunta na kayo sa KLCC sa Kuala Lumpur, ma. Maganda, ma? Ang ganda-ganda, ma? Ang laki-laki ano ah. Yan si mama. Oh, sige ma. I-video ko na lang kayo dun uli sa ano, Kuala Lumpur uli. Ma? Goodbye, Malaysia. Kanta kayo, Siren, kanta kayo. Goodbye, I hate to see you go, but have a good time. Kanta kayo, ma.
Goodbye.
Yes.
I hate to see you go, but have a good time.
Yes, alright.
So long, I'll miss you there, I know. But have a good time. Have your plane, begin with your new love. I'm setting you free, dancing till it's true love. Don't worry about it. I know that tears will always run if I know. I'll miss you there, I know, but have a good time.
Lost for Life, a Kai Hansen pen song for the debut heading.
Ang galing ni mama.
Sino ba yan?
Sila, sayang, nakikinig ng ano, ng concert. Gamere. Andito si mama sa isang toilet namin. Para sa guest toilet lang. Si mama, hindi pa siya pupunta sa toilet namin ni Sayang. Ano ma? Hindi pa. Sa taas pa yon. Tataas pa kayo. Kailangan kong iakyat kayo.
Hindi.
Hindi, nauwi na kasi kayo, ma. Di bali, malapit na kayo umuwi. Miss na miss nyo na yung mga anak nyo dun. Miss na miss nyo na yung bahay nyo na, ma. Kasi bahay nyo eh. Gano'n naman talaga eh. Mapalayo ka lang sa bahay mo, mamimiss mo na, ano, ma. Love you, ma.
Naalaala ko, pagtulog ko, paghiga ko, doon, ay madali lang. Ay dito, kung saan-saan pa pag mag-aanak ng higaan mo.
May mga kwarto kasi eh. Doon walang kwarto na, ma. Walang kwarto kayo doon.
Kaya mahirap dito.
Yun ang reklamo ni mama. Ang reklamo ni mama dito kasi may kanya-kanyang kwarto. Hindi sanay si mama na may kanya-kanyang kwarto. Hindi niya makita ang mga tao. Nanonood sa sala. Nasa kwarto siya. Gusto niya lagi ako matulog sa tabi niya. May asawa akong tao. Hindi naman pwede. Kaya nga, yun nga eh. Mahilig si mama tumawag para matulog. Halika na rin, tulog na tayo. Hindi pa ako naaantok, katulogin niyo na ako. Matulog kayo, sabi ko kay mama. Ano ma? Tama ma. Magsalita kayo sa mga anak nyo. Kaya Titina. Kila Paps. Ano sabihin niyo ma?
Masanting po.
Masanting sa abong namin. Thank you. Thank you.
Upload in the mobile radio.
Okay ma. Love you ma. Say, miss ko na kayo, Pap, sabi niya.
Hindi ko na maulit magpunta dito.
Hindi na talaga dahil hindi na kayo allowed sa sa immigration. Matanda na kasi kayo eh. Di bali, pupunta naman ako, papasyalan ko kayo naman. Ha?
Pwede.
Oo. Kami ng mga anak ko. I want to be there. Wow! Almost. Almost only. Almost shoot. Hi, boy. Benji Paras. Boy Paras. Shoot mo Buboy. Wow, very good ah. Very good Tito Buboy ah. Very good Tito Buboy. Wow, very good Tito Buboy. Hi, Ma. Ano gusto niyo, Ma? Okay. Yan mo na gamitin. Hi, Ma. Isa. Doña Rosa. Wow. Si Mama. Si Sayang. Si Sayang, ano natin? Ayan si Sayang. Yes, Sayang. I order already. Nasi goreng kampong. I order. And also fresh orange. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Sayang play. Yes. Sino na nanalo, boy? Wala pa? Sino mas magaling? Si Aisar o si Aish? Ah?
I had him. I had him. I had him.
Abang. Yeah.
Okay, finish.
Oh, Aisar. Ma? Oh, sino gwapo? Oh, panganay ko, maganda lalaki. Thank you, Ma. Yung bunso ko, cute. Ano, Ma? Oh, bunso ko, cute. Ano pala yung press orange, Ma? Dandaan lang, ha? Oh. Sandali. Sarap. Ay, sorry, finish your food. Your fried chicken. Mine, swipe. Finish everything. Mine. Boy. Oh, my turn now. Okay, I want to get mine. Aisar, video. I want to video this one.
Look at that sister bedroom. Mami.
Okay, thank you. Oops, almost shoot. Your turn, boy. Tito Buboy, very good. Wow, very good, Tito Buboy ah. Very good, Tito Buboy. Sana boy?
Fall, everything fall.
Ang galing mo, Chot ah.
The fall, let's take that too.
Choro Chot. Wow.
Really. Yeah, five left. You know, okay.
Ma. Lama. Alas 12 na ng gabi, di pa rin natutulog si Mama. Nandito kami. Nagpapakaligaya, ano ma? Tila lang. My turn. Okay. Okay, give. Alright, thank you. Whose turn? Not shoot. Oh, my turn.
It's your turn, my mother.
Alright, thank you.
David, careful ang dalawa na.
All day, all night. Yes! All day, all night. All day, all night. What the fuck?
Para crazy.
Nami.
Thank you. Smile, ma. Bukas, uwi na kayo bukas. Goodbye. I hate to see you go. But goodbye. Masing kanta kayo, ma. Goodbye. I hate to see you go.
Sing ma, sing.
But
Mama want to cry
have a
already.
good time. Sayang. Ano yung sa kanta ka? What do you want to say?
See you next time, ma. And boy, come back again, ma.
Pops
Come back again.
and Bayochino, what do you want to
Pops
say?
and Bayochino, next time come over. And then we can.
We are in the
All
park,
over the places.
car park. Car park. Mama, what do you want to say, ma? Ano sabihin niyo, ma? Goodbye. Kanta naman kayo, ma. Huwag na ako. Kakakain lang namin sa chicken rice shop. Ano, boy? Ano, boy?
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice shop. So, boy. Okay. Bye-bye na. Bukas. Aish, what do you want to say to Lola?
Huh?
Tomorrow, Lola is going back.
Goodbye, Lola.
Goodbye, Lola. What do you want to say
Huh?
besides than that?
I don't know.
You don't know what to say.
I
Say,
don't know.
Lola, take good care of yourself.
Take
And
care
then,
of yourself.
and
On
then?
the trip.
happy trip.
On
And?
the trip to Philippines.
And then,
That's all I can say for now.
what about you? Don't. I love you, Lola.
Yeah, I love you, Lola. I miss you.
Make it loud, make it loud.
Love you, Lola, and I miss you.
Oh, you're gonna miss Lola. Really? You're gonna miss Lola?
No.
What about you, Isa?
Same.
I'm
Oh,
not.
the same, that's all?
No.
Yes. I love you, Lola.
Oh. Tita Pops, what do you want to say to Tita Pops?
Hi.
That's all, folks.
I don't say.
See you soon.
See you soon. Next time, maybe.
Maybe. Okay. I'm going back to Philippines by myself
Okay,
only.
love you, Lola.
Without you.
I love you. And
Oh.
outside, in my heart, you know.
What is that, Aish? Yang? What do you want to say?
I say already ah. Come back
Oh.
again.
Oh.
Come back again.
No, Ate Tina and Sweet. Just now, Pops and Beochino, right?
Oh, kamusta?
Kamusta?
Next time, we see each other again.
Yeah. Aish, come here. Aish. We go now, we go now.
Tomorrow we're going to send
Want to send them in the airport.
Lola.
They are going back.
Goodbye, Tito Pop.
Okay, let's go.
What? Why you say goodbye, Tita Pops? Oh, Tita Pops not in.
See you soon.
Well, season. Aish, what are you doing? Come here. Ano? What do you want to say? Ano sabihin mo, boy?
Mama say, let's go.
Hindi, ano sasabihin mo ngayon? Ano?
I'm sure return.
I should return. MacArthur yun, ano? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Family Bin Sailan. Thank you.
Wow. Hi, come. We go now.
I love you.
Wow, I love you. Let's go. Come, sayang.
And another, Mami Sailan. Thank you very much.
Wow. All right. Let's go.
Ha?
Cepat.
Okay na?
Yung pangalan,
Wala?
putol mo isa pangalawa. Ayun,
Pangalawa?
Ayun.
Use.
Alright, see you then. Thank you.
Use.
I take a picture, video.
I video. Okay, thank you so much ha.
Thank you.
Terima kasih Bius.
Silent family, thank
Okay,
you.
Mak. Indah. Nadi.
I love you, silent
Ha? Ha? Siapa?
See you next time.
Oh, dia tinggal. Kau nak jadilah. Tak mungkin dia nak suruh dokong kot. Siapa? Si Aiza? Aiza lah. Aiza tak nak balik
Dia pakai stokin.
Oh, pakai stokin.
Tadi
Okey.
mana pergi Lina?
Pergi bawa pusing-pusing jap. Tak ada ICC. Nampak pergi ke ICC.
Just now she want to walk lah. Say, I want to go down, I want to walk. Very slow. So,
Boy, balik dulu boy.
terus nampak lah.
Jangan putus asa. Alah.
So, carry lah better. Cepat.
Okay, let's go.
I hate to see you go, but have a good time. So long, I miss you, dear. I know, but have a good time. Have your fling, begin with your